10 technologies that science fiction predicted. From flying cars to artificial intelligence, science fiction has long been the playground for imagining the future. But did you know that many of the technologies we use today were predicted decades, sometimes even centuries ago, in sci-fi films, books, and shows? Let's explore 10 technologies that science fiction predicted and made real. In the 1960s, Star Trek showcased a future filled with advanced technology, including handheld devices that bear a striking resemblance to today's tablets. Known as personal access display devices, or PADs, they were used by crew members to read reports, send messages, and browse data, much like how we use iPads and tablets for everyday tasks. Star Trek didn't just predict the future of communication, but also revolutionized our understanding of portable tech. In Stanley Kubrick's groundbreaking film 2001, A Space Odyssey, we see a character making a video call, something that was pure science fiction at the time. Fast forward to today, and platforms like Zoom, Skype, and FaceTime have made video calling a normal part of our lives, especially during the global pandemic, where it became crucial for staying connected with family, friends, and co-workers. When The Matrix hit theaters in 1999, it posed the question, what if we could plug into an alternate reality indistinguishable from the real world? While we haven't quite reached the full immersion of The Matrix, virtual reality is now a booming industry, from VR gaming and entertainment to medical training and therapy. Companies like Oculus and HTC are leading the charge, and the possibilities are still expanding. Fun fact: by 2025, the global virtual reality market is expected to reach over $44 billion. Dick Tracy, the comic strip detective, first appeared in 1946 sporting a two-way wrist radio, a tool he used to communicate with his team and get updates on the go. Today, smartwatches like the Apple Watch and Samsung Gear have turned that vision into reality, allowing us to send texts, make calls, and even monitor our health all from our wrists. Science fiction gave us a glimpse of what personal, portable communication could look like, and technology delivered. Fun fact: Apple Watch was released in 2015 and became one of the fastest-selling wearable devices in history. In 1927, the silent film Metropolis stunned audiences with the creation of Maria, a humanoid robot designed to look and act like a human. This was one of the first portrayals of robots on screen, and today, robots have become an integral part of industries from manufacturing to healthcare. We've built robots that can vacuum our homes, assist in surgeries, and even explore other planets. While we may not yet have robots as advanced as Maria, we're getting closer every day. Fun fact, by 2030, robots could replace 20 million jobs worldwide, according to Oxford Economics. Paul Verhoeven's Total Recall introduced the idea of self-driving cars through the iconic Johnny Cab, a taxi with an automated driver. Today, companies like Tesla, Waymo, and Uber have made self-driving cars a reality. Autonomous vehicles can now drive without human intervention, using complex algorithms, sensors, and AI to navigate traffic and road conditions. Fun fact: Google's self-driving cars have logged over 20 million miles in real-world driving tests. In Star Trek, The Next Generation, the replicator could produce food, tools, and just about anything else out of thin air. While we don't have replicators yet, 3D printing is the closest thing we've got. Today, 3D printers can create everything from everyday items to prosthetic limbs, homes, and even human organs. The ability to print objects layer by layer has revolutionized industries from healthcare to construction. Fun fact: NASA uses 3D printing to create parts for spacecraft, even in zero gravity. HAL 9000, the super-intelligent AI from 2001, A Space Odyssey, was both a technological marvel and a chilling warning about the dangers of AI. Today, artificial intelligence is everywhere, from Siri and Alexa to autonomous drones and even algorithms that predict what we want to buy. AI has become an integral part of modern technology, helping us solve complex problems, but it also raises questions about ethics and control, just as sci-fi predicted. One of the most iconic pieces of future tech in Back to the Future Part 2 was the hoverboard, a levitating skateboard that defied gravity. While we don't quite have the same hoverboards as Marty McFly, today's hoverboards and other futuristic transportation devices like jetpacks and flying cars are starting to blur the line between science fiction and reality. Long before humanity set foot on the moon, science fiction writers like Jules Verne were imagining it. His novel, From the Earth to the Moon, written in 1865, envisioned a journey to the moon using a giant space cannon. Today, space travel is not just a reality, it's expanding into space tourism. Companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin are pushing the boundaries of what's possible, taking the first steps toward regular civilian space travel and perhaps one day, settlements on other planets. I hope you found this video interesting. If you did, please like and subscribe for more videos.